How is your life going on these days?
Yeah, my life is well, good. And how about you, Pooja?
Yes, it has been going very smooth, providentially. No grievance about my life at all. It has been going very well.
Yeah, as a homemaker, our life is na hamster wheel. All time we are busy with lots of work.
Exactly, a lot of responsibilities are there on our shoulder. My entire day flies while managing household chores, while dealing with my kids, and while dealing with my students and all. So I
Okay.
don't even realize sometimes, yes, where time flies.
Definitely. Yeah. Okay, Pooja, we are meeting first time. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, why not? So thank you so much first of all to invite me to your platform, and it is our first interaction on video call,
Yeah.
though we have already connected with each other many times, right?
Hmm.
My name is Pooja. I am from Haryana. By profession, I'm a homemaker. In addition, I have been working as a faculty at Gastro International Platform. Yes, I am an English enthusiast learner, so this is one of my favorite interests on which I have been working for last 2 years, and I have a YouTube channel which I have created by the name of English Vibes. If I talk about my education qualification, so I have completed my masters in English literature. Apart from that, I have done B.Ed as well, Bachelor of Education. So that's all about me.
Yeah, nice, Pooja, nice. Very nice. Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neha and I'm from Delhi. I'm a offline tutor last 10 years. And if you talk about my
Mhm.
qualification, I did my master's in political science and also I did my B.Ed, then after that clear CETER paper too. Yeah, nowadays my passion is I connect the people and also gain the knowledge from them. Yeah, that's all about me in a nutshell.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's really nice. Even I love supporting and guiding people improve their communication skills, and because
communication.
of that reason, and because of that reason, I started running my YouTube channel in order that I can see the improvement in my communication skills. At the same time, I can guide people improve their communication skills. Do you think
Yeah.
about it? That how to how much extent it helps us when we create video, when we talk to people on video call, so how does it help us?
Yeah, this these type of things are very helpful for us as a we day to day we feel more confident, and also at the time you learn something and after that you sharing your knowledge on YouTube platform, any other platform. At that time you feel very motivated and also you help the lots of people. That's very good thing.
Exactly, because when we interact with the people, we keep getting motivation. When we see people moving forward in their life and in their efforts, and when we see people improving their communication skills, we also feel like doing the same way.
Yeah, yeah, and also we feel, yeah, that is very
And
good thing. Mhm.
exactly. And creating videos and interacting with the people not only help us improve our communication skills, but also improve our confidence level and presentation skills,
Presentation.
pronunciation. Helps us in many ways, in different ways.
Mm-hmm. Yes, 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 definitely. And now,
Yeah.
like when you connect the people by the video call, at that time you lots of
Yes, yes.
knowledge with them also. Like when you share your knowledge, then share your views. Then after that you listen another person and also create a lot of thing in your mindset. That's very good thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm asking one question to you. Like when you last 6 months you have started YouTube channel, and also I think you have started their journey at that time, same time, right?
Yes, yes. No, no,
Yeah,
no,
but
no.
like
I think
before
you are
that, na?
talking about my English learning.
Yes, yes. When you start.
Okay, so yeah, honestly speaking, I started my English journey in 2024, right?
Okay.
And
Hmm.
after 1 year of starting my journey, I started running my YouTube channel. Like it's been more
Okay.
than 6 months since I started running my YouTube channel, and I
Okay.
have been working consistently without skipping even a single day. Like every single day I create my video, I face camera,
Hmm.
interact with the people ever since I started speaking practice. Initially, I used to practice with some applications as I did not have any idea about WhatsApp community. But now
Hmm.
I have been associated with WhatsApp community where I have got an environment and a speaking partner. So I spend my time over there. I interact with the people, improve my communication skills, get some idea, get knowledge, and also it helps me improve. like speaking skills, and like I am getting better day by day.
Yeah, like our speaking part is not changed, our personality totally changed when we connected with the like same
Exactly.
mindset person. Yeah, that's I also feel nowadays. Yeah. Okay, like one thing
Mhm.
asking to you, like when you start your
Mhm.
journey, now what is the main difference you feel these days?
A huge difference I can see. The day when I started my journey, I was not able to utter even a single sentence in English language. So I was completely pathetic. But now I can speak confidently, fluently, without finding any kind of difficulty, and I can connect with anyone online, offline.
Right. And actually, like before the session, I'm also watched your lots of videos, and day to day also improved a lot. Yeah, very. And you speak a very impeccable
Exactly.
English, right? Very good.
Thank you
Okay.
so much for your encouragement. And like now I can help my kids understand their concepts, and I can also read books confidently without finding any difficulty, and I can understand the ideas and the concepts given in the books.
Yeah, that's very useful thing for you because at that time you learn something, then after that you also teach your like your children. That's very good thing. Yes.
Exactly.
And
Okay, so
yeah.
Sanhilata, how did the idea of beginning your journey with English language first strike you?
Okay, like I'm first of all sharing with you, like this is my not my dream. I become fluent in English because when I was in college at that time I'm totally focused on my academics. I'm not focusing like English is speaking somehow. But after some time last year I'm also like yeah, this is very important, and because not any singular person, at least we are all the know about the value of English communication because English is a global language. Each and every person, they with their daily life also go through with this. But after that,
Mhm.
when you learn, when you be a eloquent speaker, then after that you have a lots of open doors for your career and professionally also. That's why I'm started this one. And
Exactly.
also one thing also, like when I'm speaking English at the time also feel a big confident. That's a very good thing for us.
Oh, it
Hmm.
happens actually when we start doing something. So over time, over practice, we start feeling more confident.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so do you have some activities that we can play here, and our beginners, our subscribers can get some help, or I can give you
I
some
know
idea?
you have. No, no, no. Actually, I don't have. You have any? Please share with us.
Okay, so I will give you one word, and you have to frame sentence using that word.
Yeah. Okay.
Honest,
Honest. Okay. I am a very honest person.
success,
Okay. Success. When you do a hard work a lot, then after that you become a successful person.
journey,
Sorry. Juggling.
journey.
Journey. Okay. 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 Journey. When you like when also make a sentence related to journey. When I started my English speaking journey earlier, I'm not able to like speak a single uttered word. And yeah, at that time English is thin ice for me, but when I continue my journey consistent with them, yeah, these days I feel English is a piece of cake for me. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Challenge, challenge.
Okay, challenge. When you accept a challenge in your life, then after that you be a successful person in your life. Definitely. That is true.
That's fine. You hit the nail on the head.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Pooja.
Respect,
Yes.
respect.
Respect. Okay, I respect my elders.
Okay, improve.
Improve. Okay. Day to day, I'm consistent with this language, and I also feel very improvement in my communication skills also, and also in my vocabulary.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so our first activity is completed.
Yeah,
Now I'm going to give you one more
right.
activity that is also going to be very interesting, at the same time intriguing. Okay,
Hmm.
I mostly love playing that activity, and whenever I interact with the people, I mostly discuss these kind of activities that I'm gonna give you. So now I will give you a very simple sentence. You have to expand that sentence by adding some more information. You can share your ideas, your habit, and your experience about that. Okay. So the sentence is, I wake up early in the morning.
Okay, I wake up early in the morning and after make a to-do list my whole day for me. Is it correct?
Okay, you can expand more. Yeah, you can expand more.
Okay, okay. I wake up early in the morning and then after that make a to-do list for my whole day. Because when you make a to-do list for us and make a setup plan for us, then after that we whole day is very productive for us.
Yes, that's
Hmm.
nice. Okay, I love having a cup of tea in the morning.
Allow. Okay,
Love
I love.
having a cup of tea in the morning. Yes,
Okay, I love having a cup of tea in morning because after taking a tea, na, I
yes.
feel very energetic. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, you hit the nail on the head. But yes, actually, in the morning time, I was sitting idle on the chair and I was talking to myself. So, out of nowhere, an idea stuck to my mind to create my video with an amazing technique. This is also a technique, when we give answer not only in one sentence but also in expanded form. So, it helps us a lot improve our communication skills.
Definitely.
Suppose if someone asks you, do you
Hmm.
love having tea? Many people say, yes, I love having tea. And after that, they become silent because they don't know what to say next.
What
But
to
if
say
someone
next?
asks me the same question, so what would be my answer? Let me tell you. Yes, definitely. I love having a cup of tea in the morning time as I am addicted to having it, and now I cannot help having a cup of tea in the morning time because I feel that it makes me feel fresh and it gives me a different kind of energy to start my day. Until I have a cup of tea, I don't feel like starting my day, but the moment I have a cup of tea, I feel very energetic and I start my day with full enthusiasm and grateful of energy. So I have had the habit of having tea in the morning time since my childhood. So now I am accustomed to having it and I can't help. The day when I don't, get a cup of tea, I feel like something big is missing in my day. I don't feel energetic and I feel very loose. I don't feel like doing anything. So, and sometimes I get frustrated as it is my energy drink in the morning. So it will be my answer.
Okay, nice, nice. You elaborate very beautifully. Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, so we can give answer in expanded form.
Hmm.
We are supposed to avoid giving answer of any question in just one line.
Just one line, yeah. Then after that,
Ex-
because initially it stays na a little bit difficult, but somehow when we speak more and also creating a new vocabulary and like elaborate, yeah, after it is easy, but initially it is little bit difficult. Somehow like a single word, single line is enough for us.
Yes, mostly people don't know about this technique actually. They don't know how to elaborate on a sentence, how to expand the sentence. They don't know because they don't think this way. That how, like in which all way we can practice. There are so many ways to practice speaking English, right? So
Hmm.
I always love applying different way of practicing speaking English in order to improve my speaking skills.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
what we have to do, we have to speak at the most. You're right.
yeah,
Our focus should be on speaking more and more because the more you
yeah,
speak, the better you
definitely.
become. It
Yeah,
should be
yeah,
our motive.
definitely. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So, Sanelata, do you practice with yourself when you're sitting idle?
No, actually, I don't have idea. Most of the time, I'm trying to connect the people and do my practice. That is enough for me. But somehow, or lots of time, I heard about like you talking yourself. That is also improving. And when I watch your video,
Exactly.
yeah, I'm also heard about like how to talk like non-stop. Then after that, speak more and more. That's very good
Exactly. Okay. So,
because
when
then
you
you
go out and talk to people, do you observe something about your surroundings, what people are exactly doing, and do you observe something about your area?
Mhm. Yeah, that's very good thing also. Like when we observing something, then after that we speak in
Your
English.
voice is not coming.
Okay,
Just wait, wait.
yeah, raining outside, that's the problem.
Now you are audible.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Like I'm sharing with you, like
So
when
you were
I,
saying something.
like when we see something and like observe the surroundings. At that time, we also try to like elaborate, but somehow lack of vocabulary. That's we are not able to like
Yes, one
observe.
good
Yeah,
becomes very challenging to describe any situation. First, we need to
Hmm.
practice, we need to observe, and after that, we need to take some time to describe that situation in English language. As English is not our first language, and we are not comfortable with this language because we don't use this language with the people around us and at our home, right? So we
Hmm.
only spend 1 and 2 hours in a day where we
Yeah, that's
interact with
enough
the people
rest.
and speak in
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
language. Exactly.
Hmm.
So, describing every situation comfortably and effortlessly, you must have a lot of vocabulary. You must have bunch of vocabulary in your
Yeah,
bucket
yeah.
list. The
Hmm.
one who has good collections of vocabulary can describe any situation without taking time and without finding any kind of difficulty.
Hmm. Yeah, you are true. But sometimes
Yes,
because English is, you are right, like English is not our native language. Somehow that's we face a lots of difficulties. But somehow, when we start something, when we practicing daily and consistent with them, then after that definitely this is our not our native language, but at least we are comfortable this for this language.
exactly, exactly. Okay, so Snehata, as you told me that you have been into English journey last for I think 10 to maybe over than 10 years, right? So, what kind of strategy do you follow and what kind of topics do you provide to a student? Like, I just want to know the systematic way of your teaching. How do you teach?
Yeah, actually, last when I started at that time, because I had a long gap. Then after that, started again. But when I started at that
Okay.
time, faced a lots of problem. But somehow, like day to day, also learned a lot by my teaching. But when I teach the student at the time, especially English, the first of all you clear the basic topic, like all parts of verb agreement, like noun, pronoun, adjectives, conjunction, preposition, interjections, and also first of all the tenses
Mhm.
concept. But somehow and like
Exactly.
actually, yeah, starting with the first point, noun and how many types noun, then after the pronoun, these type of structure I'm daily teach my student. And also most of the students from senior classes like 10th and 11th at that time, because they require some diary entry and also writing paragraph, at that time also verb agreement is very helpful. The verb agreement is the basic thing
Exactly.
when you start with the first class student and also the senior class student. At that time, you have all that student you teach about the 8 parts of verb of agreement. That is must.
Exactly. Even I believe that grammar, knowing about the basics of grammar is really important, special
Yeah,
tenses.
really. Yes,
Mostly
yes, yes.
people don't believe that working on the grammar part is not essential. You can learn
No,
English
no.
by watching movies and web
Hmm.
series. So this is the you can learn movie, you can learn
Yes.
English, but I don't believe in that thing at
Yeah.
all because the
And
one who
same, same.
doesn't have like English environment and speaking partner cannot learn English without
Hmm.
knowing about the basics of grammar because basics is really important.
Hmm. But like one thing, we speak Hindi because Hindi is our native language. Somehow we are, when we speak like Hindi, because Hindi is also a very difficult language. Lots of people saying Hindi is very
Exactly,
easy because Hindi
exactly.
is
Yes.
our native
We
language.
don't speak yeah, so Hindi.
Yeah, it's lots of words including our Hindi, then after that we deliver. But somehow when we speak in English, at that time you speak in English, that is you are not mixing another language on that. That is the main difference between Hindi and English, right? Because like
So
wow,
when
that
you
means
speak,
Hindi.
you translate.
Hmm.
Don't you think in Hindi first?
No, no, no. Actually, at that time when I think about Hindi, then after the translate, that is very difficult method for me. I'm not try,
Oh
never
my
try
God,
in
I'm
Hindi.
very comfortable with this method. Honestly speaking, whenever I speak, I just translate from my native into English. Even I would say that the first sentence that comes to my mind in Hindi only. And after that,
Hmm.
I translate. That is a different thing that I don't take time to translate the sentence because my grip is very strong